What are the data points that you normally look into before deciding to launch a product?
Well, we at AZRank, we don't do product research for our clients, and we don't do product validation. So our role comes in when the product is already settled, let's say, so it's prepared for launch. That's when we come into place. Basically, we start with the keyword research, but it's our keyword research. It's a lot different than the keyword research that the seller does for listing creation and for PPC. We are focused on our keyword research that is used during the product launch. And how do we do that? In just a few words, I recommend Amazon Product Opportunity Explorer, which is a tool from Amazon, and you can easily identify the top 25 keywords from each niche that Amazon sees as relevant for that particular niche. So if you launch a product in that niche, you need to have those keywords in your target focus. Even if you use us for the launch, or even if you just do PPC or whatever you do, just focus on those keywords. And of course, there's Helium 10, Cerebro. You can analyze your competitors and see where they're doing well. You know, we don't have to reinvent the wheel whenever we launch a product, right? It was a saying, good artists copy and great artists steal. That's what we have to do in terms of keyword research. Exactly what the other are doing well on, that's what we should also do. If you start with these few let's say options in terms of how to establish your keywords, you have a very good starting point.